Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, then must watch the video till the end, and then you know it's a very important video for you. And if you like the video, then must like video and enjoy the video. Then must subscribe the channel. First of all, open the App Store and here write the name of the app. Hawk Crypto Wallet by Bodjan. This is a halal Islamic crypto money. Fast halal crypto and wallet. Friendly to Islam, fast and safe. We are on a mission to onboard over 1.8 plus billion Muslims into digital finance without compromising the values. And now we read about something this wonderful application. Welcome to Hawk Wallet. Enter the world of a Hawk Wallet, a digital wallet specifically designed for the global Muslim population of 1.8 billion and ethically finance associates. It's a tailor made to handle Islamic coin in a Sharia compliant manner. Join us to experience the fusion of traditional finance and blockchain technology, all while upholding Islamic values. Creating a secure wallet has never been easier. Hawk Wallet offers the perfect blend of Web 2 UX and Web 3 security, making it incredibly simple to create a secure wallet for your Islamic coin. With Hawk Wallet, you own your private keys, giving you complete control over your assets and ensuring absolute security. Storing, sending, and receiving made simple. Hawk Wallet enables you to effortlessly manage your digital assets, whether you are storing receiving Islamic coins within the Hawk network. Our initiative user interface ensures a seamless experience. Now downloading is starting, and in that time we are discuss about download Hawk Wallet now and unlock the full potential of the Hawk network. Step into the future of finance that prioritizes security, convenience, and Sharia compliant innovation. Join a community of Muslim crypto enthusiasts and now open the app. I already have an account. Create account. Updated Islamic coin, white paper, Hawk and is Singularity Net. And this is a big opportunity for the agree terms and conditions. Hawk Wallet does not store, transfer, transmit, convert, hold, or otherwise interact with any of the virtual currencies you may use with the Islam Wallet. Any transfer or transaction occurs on the Hawk network. Islam Wallet cannot block, freeze, or take any kind of control over your virtual currency. And here you set 6-digit pin code. Protect your wallet pin code